Last class, calmly listen to me. What I explained you is, first step is, I have defined what is the overhead. So, I have explained you direct cost and indirect cost, first one. Second is definition of overheads and classification of overheads. Definition, we have indirect cost which is necessary for the purpose of production, but you cannot identify with the final product. Then I had been to the classification. In that functional classification, I have given you one problem, two problems. I asked you to do that work. Whether you have done or not, I don't know. Most important, ability to understand what is direct cost and what is indirect cost. That is done. Second is classification into manufacturing overheads, administration overheads, selling and distribution overheads and others. That also we have explained. Normal and abnormal costs, all those things. Then classification according to the variability, that we have explained. Variable cost, semi-variable cost and fixed cost. This is very, very important for budgets, for marginal costing, for standard costing. You need to have a clear clarity on that. That we have explained. I spent some time to explain you, because fixed and flexible budget, this will come. Then I had gone to the next stage, and that is primary and secondary distributions and cost center, accumulation of costs. And in the cost center, what is the definition of cost center? Then we have explained you what is a service department cost and a production department. How do the overheads have to be allocated? Apportionment of overheads, allocation of overheads. Part 1 is overheads to be charged to all departments, both production and service departments. What is a production department? The production department is one which can generate revenue. What is a service department? It doesn't generate revenue, but it is necessary for the purposes of production. That's what I have explained you. You understand? And that is thereafter I was explaining you what is the cost of a production department, because in production department goods are produced and you have to fix the selling price, and fixing selling price is adding profit to the cost. Then what is the cost? Cost comprises of prime cost, and then first step is allocated overheads, and directly rent is allocated on the basis of area. That part is there. Then reallocation of the service department overheads to the production departments. So therefore the total cost is arrived at. Then you add profit, then you will get selling price. That is what we are going to see. Today's class we are going to talk about a situation where how are you going to redistribute these overheads of the service departments have to be redistributed to the production departments. On what basis you will do like that? And the basis is direct distribution method, repeated distribution method, or simultaneous equations method, or algebraic method. All are one and the same. Then you have the step ladder method. We are now going to focus on them. You have to voraciously practice, friends. Voraciously practice the whole subject. Alright? That is the first part that I have explained you with regard to the overheads. And any questions? Let us go through that.